Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Netflix, one of the most popular streaming services in the world. What is Netflix? Netflix is a streaming service that allows users to watch a wide variety of TV shows, movies, documentaries, and more on their devices. It was founded in 1997 by Reed Hastings and Marc Randolph, and it started as a DVD by mail service. In 2007, Netflix introduced its streaming service, which allowed people to watch movies and TV shows instantly on their devices without having to wait for a DVD to arrive in the mail. Today, Netflix is available in more than 190 countries and it has more than 208 million subscribers worldwide. It has a huge library of movies and TV shows, including its own original content, which has won numerous awards. History of Netflix. Netflix's history can be traced back to 1997 when Reed Hastings and Marc Randolph founded the company. At that time, they were offering DVD rentals through the mail, and the company was called Kibble. In 1998, they changed the name to Netflix and started offering a subscription-based model that allowed users to rent DVDs without having to pay late fees. In 2007, Netflix launched its streaming service, which allowed users to watch movies and TV shows instantly on their devices. At that time, Netflix was primarily a distributor of content owned by other companies, such as TV shows and movies from major studios like Warner Brothers and Universal Pictures. In 2012, Netflix started producing its own content with the release of the political drama, House of Cards. Since then, Netflix has produced numerous original series, documentaries, and movies, including Stranger Things, The Crown, and Bird Box. In recent years, Netflix has faced increased competition from other streaming services, such as Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, and HBO Max. Despite this, Netflix remains one of the most popular streaming services in the world. And that's it, guys. That's everything you need to know about Netflix. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.